Good morning, welcome to RLTW Strategies. I'm going to do in a quick video, going to run through over my trades and the progress that has been happening the last few days. So I started off hit tilt. I had a session, a trading of a couple trading sessions that I was forcing trades. I was getting tilted. I was revenge trading. I started losing, and it just compounded. And you really do have to, I over traded throughout the day. And my expectations of profit, I believe, were exceeded to the amount of balance that I currently have. So if I had an account that was straight up 150 or 100 grand above the zero balance, right? Then I believe if I had that much leverage, I could probably trade larger sizes, and the original, my scalping pattern, I could probably capture, instead of capturing $200 to $400 per trade, I could capture $600 to $1,000 per trade. Now my losses are the same. If my losses are $400 to $800 per trade, then if I go into a larger size, my losses are going to be considerably deeper. It will be negative $1,200 to $1,800, sometimes $2,000 per trade. So I have to get used to consistency. And I thought about this last night after hitting max loss on my XFA. I was like, what do I want to accomplish at the end of the month? Well, I want to accomplish supplementing my income and have a balance that I would like to withdraw at the end of the month to cover certain expenses. And that is just what I want to accomplish. So I take that price and then divided it by the 20 trading days within the month on average. So it came out to like $180 to $200 a day. Now you laugh because $180 and $200 a day is super, super easy to do. I will enter the morning hitting $1,200 to $1,800 on a trade, or a few trades, or $900 in the morning. And then I think because I do that by 9:40, I got the rest of the day to trade, and I could compound that, right? But then I overtrade, and I hit some losses, and it affects you emotionally and mentally when you hit losses. And then your losses start compounding. And then before you know it, you're in a hole and you're tilted and you're revenge trading and you just need to shut the dang thing off. Well, so make a goal for yourself. Mine is $180 to $200 a day. I want to try to capture $4 grand a month. Yes, I can make $4 grand in a week if I stay consistent. I was averaging $1,000 a day, but with a brand new funded account at zero balance, $1,000 a day is doable. However, you are either have to be exponentially focused and execute your trades precisely at levels to have very minimal down draw and capture either the upside or the downside of longing or shorting the position. So you could capture and hold on for a long period of time and be patient enough to hold on and have confidence that it's going to go the length of your price target, right? Your target price that you want to reach before closing the position. Now, I was messing around with the 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, and I like the 15-minute time frame, but digging myself out of the hole when I'm negative $1,400 yesterday I traded on the 5-minute time frame and I just got destroyed. And yesterday was a very rough day to trade. It was a range day with chop, and I should have stuck with the 30-minute time frame and only entered those positions at the top and the lower band of those ranges. Today I traded off of the 30-minute time frame, executed on the 5-minute chart on my trade of 8. But I observed the 30-minute on the ES and on the NASDAQ. and I'm watching the 3-minute on the Mag 7. And today wasn't a successful day. Today I closed the day $1,300 in profit, and I am negative $92 in the account, which is less than $100. And I could trade one contract on an extreme move today and be positive in the account by a couple dollars. Do I want to do that? Absolutely. I want to be $500 in profit at the end of the day. But I just need to stop and be happy with the $1,300 that I made. I started a 100K combine and I'm up $700 on that one. I traded that during the news release as well. And I'm done on that account. Yesterday I hit a $900 loss on the 100K combine. It's on Top Step X on the $59 promotion that Top Step's doing. So we're going to go ahead and go to the chart and look at how I traded this morning and where I entered the positions at. So here's the Express account, down $92, $1,300 profit for the day. Let's look at the trade report for today. 7% winning trades today. 26% losing trades. I'll take 3/4 over a quarter any day. Any day. And I only traded the max of one contract at a time, scaling into position, not going over 3 contracts. And majority of my trades were just 2 contracts. See, this one is just a 2 contract position. All right. This moved during the news release at 8:30, and then it consolidated. And I missed out on this move at open, and I got into a long position here, and then I hit the short position, made $485 on one contract, or 2 contracts, $15, got stopped out, entered again, rode that down, and then I was done for the day because I made, at this point, I was up $800 on the day, which is over my $180 to $200 profit target for the day. $800 is good. I'll take that any day. Freaking anybody will take that any day. $800 a day is more than I made working in the military as an E9. And then here, this trade, I hit this short and made $295, and I'm up $1,100 for the day. And then I traded this shit, this chop, and I ended up being negative $700. So the lowest I got was $500 profit for the day. I went from $1,100 to $500. So I lost $600 in this action right here. And I was just trading chop. I try to anticipate the top of the range and just got 8 up here. And then here, I expected us to drop because we're at this level. And we came back up to retest and rejected. And I ended up shorting here and closed the day up $1,300. And I'm done. I'm done for the day. It's 2:17. Mag 7's dropping right now. ES is dropping, but ES is at a level that it could bounce up. And I'll show you guys that right now if you want. So this green level right here, this got rejected. We'll turn this red for the day. And we broke this trend line. That would have been a good trade. And now we're back down, coming down on this trend line. Now this level right here, we bounced off it pretty hard, which would mean we bounced off that trend line pretty hard as well. So what does that mean going forward? Well, if we come back down and retest this, we could short down to here. And then I got buy blocks here. All right, this is an area where I think it's a buy area, where I think we could reverse. And this area right here is a buy block area. So if we blow through this area, we're coming down to this buy block area, I believe. Right, this area right here. But I don't know if that's going to happen today. This area right here. All right, and then this is the zone area. So I made a box, and I think if we come down to here, it's going to be a support area, and we're going to launch off from that point. But that might happen tomorrow. It might not happen today. But those are the trades. I try to be very patient. I try to be very particular on the trades I was going into, and the patience in not over trading was very positive for my performance for today, and I can't ask for anything better than that. Okay, this is an XFA. I'll never have to pay subscription fees again, and I will never have to reset this account. And this account, as long as I keep averaging $200 a day to $800 a day, you know, I could slowly grow this account. So the goal is just to focus on small wins and slowly build it. So with that, that's the rundown of my trades today, and I'll try to post regularly. And with that, be patient, stay disciplined, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. See you guys.